Welcome to my series of videos called Fitness After 40. The reason I'm starting this series is because a lot of the viewers of this YouTube channel, as well as a lot of the clients of my real-life gyms in Singapore, as well as the online programs I do, a lot of the users are actually within the age of 35 to 45. I myself am close to 40, so I really am starting to understand the needs of this age group. I realize that at this age, having six-pack abs is nice, but it's probably not the deep emotional need that many people our age have. At my age, it's more important for me to be able to chase my kids around and play with them with energy and joy than it is to look really great. Although, looking good, being strong, having muscles is still nice. For ladies, we find that, hey, they don't need to look like a fitness model. They do need to be able to fit into the dress they wore when they were 25. These things are important to us, and they're different from just looking good and posing for a swimsuit photo. All the things I recommend in this video series, I do personally. And my team has used these techniques with thousands of clients our age with great success. There is a saying that says, Father Time is undefeated. And this is true. But we can slow him down if we fight for our health and we fight smart. So leave a comment below if you're in this age group, and I look forward to helping you fight for your health, fight smart and fight hard. If you'd like, also please subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of the videos in this series which give you practical tips to maintain your fitness after age 40.